First, open the GitHub repository for T-Bao. Click on Code to download the repository. There are two ways to download. One is to use Git, and the other is to download the compressed zip file directly. Here, we choose to download the compressed zip file directly. After the download is complete, you will receive a compressed zip file. Extracting the compressed file will provide you with the example code. This way, you will obtain the example code for T-Bao. First, connect the SD card using a card reader. Then connect the card reader to the computer. Open the disk where the SD card is located. Open the script folder in the code examples and locate the face_tracking folder. Paste dev8833.py and main.py into the SD card. Then locate the image folder inside and find these images. Paste these images into the SD card. Downloading the ESP32 firmware requires using the CH340 module. Connect to the module via USB. Then connect the module to the T-Bao. Open the Flash download tool. Select ESP32 for chip type. Locate the ESP32_@_firmware_UART1_sgpo.bin file in the code examples. Set the address to 0. Select the corresponding port and click Start. Connect the T-Bao to the computer using USB. Open the toolkit Flash_guy. Select the file name. Select the file name makesb_twatch_v0 6.2-75-G973361C0D-dirty.bin and download it from address 0. Select the model face_model_at_0x3000.kfpkg from the folder. Select Kendryte Trainer for the board. Select the corresponding port for the T-Bao. Download the two files to the T-Bao one by one. Insert the SD card with the downloaded files into the T-Bao. Make sure that the T-Bao is not powered on at this time. Open the battery compartment and ensure that the ports are properly connected to the battery. Then, wait for the program to start and the T-Bao will be ready to use. factory firmware for face recognition to follow the car.